Dear viewer, Assalamu alaikum. I am Engineer Muhammad Rezaul Haq. Welcome to my Automation Tools YouTube channel. We know in industrial system different type of Woodward overspeed protection device are using. ProTech-GII is most usable to protect the turbine from overspeed protection damage. Today I will discuss how to download a program from Woodward Overspeed Protection Device ProTech-GII by using ProTech-GII Programming and Configuration Tools software via 9-pin USB serial cable. So dear friend, let's start. You see, this is our Woodward Overspeed Protection Device that is used to protect the turbine from overspeed protection. It is running, you see, it is running. I want to configure, that means configure this protection device by using or download program by using a ProTech-GII Programming and Configuration Tools software. It is the model number or part number. It is different from one to another. That means the upgrade. The serial number or part number will be changed. This is a part number that is I want to upload and download program. So first we connect the 9-pin USB serial cable from ProTech-GII to laptop. You see, already connected this one side is connected and laptop side also connected. Now we open the GII configure programming and configuration tools software. I am opening this one. You see it is the programming and configuration tools. Version number is also showing that in 9.9.27.81 revision K. It is the default option is available is here. You see the connect from here we want to connect this one. First I am showing the different options that are available in this configuration tools software. What you can monitor the, it is also upload, download. We can click the upload button. We can upload. Now we connect this one. You see, when we connect this one, then it's showing the input level. The two types of the level is what? Test level and the config level. We put the config level and press the connect button. And you see, the software is connected with the protection device. So we want to upload. So select the upload from device. We want to upload the program. So we select upload button and browse for the saving location that where you want to save this program for easily understand by easily find out we can this one. So we select a new folder and we also name can this one. We can make a folder and also you can make the program name and then you can press the open button. You see how we already create a new folder that we want to store our upload program. Then we can make a file name. I put upload and date I can see this one. Then we can press the next button, okay, open button. Then you see open button. You see that is now it is showing this one. It is now press the next button. When you press the next one, then you see that it is a device setting saved successfully. That means our upload program is that means our upload is completed. Now we monitor that the program is completely upload or not. What is that it is successfully upload or not? We want to see this one. You see, we can monitoring this program. You see at the different option and setting option. Also you can configure by using this one by using this configuration and programming software tools. You see here the different options are available. You can configure as per your requirement. You see it is another option. You see the device setting and you can see it configuration compare. You can also configuration compare that 3 modular is available. When they have any difference then you can see from here. Test mode is the setting value is also showing that the RPM is overspeed tip signal. All the parameters you can setting also can configure by using this one. So I am showing this one step by step. You can see also configured by using the button. In the next video, in the previous video, I have shown that how can we configure this one by using the key button. So you can also configure this device by using this software. You see, I am showing the different option that's are available that to configure. You see, it is the other input option, and you can also de-energize to start, RPM, and you can also see the speed level 0 to 42 mm, how many RPM will be shown. It is always shown for this one here. So after all configuration is completed, or I am checking the upload program. When that configuration and upload is completed, then you can also you can check all the what is the acceleration trip, acceleration setting value, all kind is completed. Now you can download this program. For download this program, again I open the GII programming and configuration tool software. You see, I will open this one, and I want to download this uploaded program or the configuration program I want to download in the new device. So again we connect this one and go to the config level that we want to. If you want to perform any task work, we have to go to the config level. So we select config level and put the password, then press the login button. When the login is completed, now we want to download this program. So select the download button and select the program that we already upload and store in your device. So we select this uploaded program. You see, we select upload program and press the open button. Then our the upload program will be open. Then press the next button. You see, it's been connected. You see, processing our upload program, processing to download this on the configuration tools over the Overspeed device. We want to download this one, so it is checking all the parameter of the processing, all the setting. You see, it is taking time to processing this one. So dear friend, I try to show you that how can you upload and download the program by using this configuration tool. So if you think this video is very helpful to you, please subscribe my channel. Also like, comments and share that other people can learn about this one. So you see, configuration is completed and our download is completed. So dear friend, no more today. Assalamu alaikum. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.